Whoa! This much a little runner than the other one.
Coco.
More pressure.
Hey, Cal. Hey. Coco's got a screwdriver, man.
Oh no, Coco's gonna take screws out. Uh-oh.
Hey,
Coco's got the screws.
Hey, that screwdriver.
Who put him too close there?
Oh. Hey, buddy.
He's got the screwdriver and he's going to try to screw shop.
Coco, why you be crazy, buddy? Huh? You crazy, man? What's wrong for you? You don't got a friggin' screw.
He's got a few loose in his head.
That's all it hurts.
Did you let it go yet?
No. Coco.
You guys say you want to get high?
Let go of that now.
Oh, yes.